So guys, I have to solve the last problem quickly. I have to finish with or to end up this part. And in this example, the snowmobile is traveling at 10 meters per second. It's also, guys, an important problem because it has also a system of equations. The first step, of course, is to what? Is to indicate the origin. So what I'm gonna do is to take A as my origin. I'm gonna take O as A, right? So I'm gonna now do the opposite. I'm taking O as A. You can, of course, guys, take O here, all right? So A has x0 is equal to 0. Mommy, I have a class. And y0 is equal to 0, all right? And what about B? B, xb is equal to r. And what about yb, guys? Is that positive or negative? What do you think? YB is what, guys? Are you listening? Yes, it is negative. Guys, this is a very important note here, all right? So YB is negative. So at A, x is equal to y is equal to 0. At B, xb is equal to r, that is also unknown. And YB is negative, it's also unknown. I need to determine the time of a flight from A to B and the range R of the trajectory or X. It's called the range, all right? So XB minus XA in projectile is called the range. I need to find it. How? What are also my inputs? I know V0. V0 is equal to 10, and this means that V0x is 10 cosine 40. It's positive. And V0y is 10 and 40. Guys, I have a question for you. I still have one input. Who can tell, guys, what is this input? The slope? Yes, you can say the slope. This one, this scale here. This scale can tell me that minus YB over 3 is equal to XB, which is R over 4. Do you agree with me, guys? And why did I say minus YB? Because in fact, guys, this is a ratio. Since this is positive, I should have a positive sign here. So that's why I put a minus close to YB, because YB is negative. So guys, this distance here, which is YB in absolute value, over 3 should be equal to this distance here, which is R, and this is XB, over 4. Right, guys? So minus YB over 3 is equal to R, which is XB over 4. And this is the key to solve this problem. Because in fact, guys, I have related two coordinates. And I know the equation of YB in terms of time, as well as the equation of XB in terms of time. So if I relate these two variables, I can find out what is the time t. So let's do it, guys. I know that XB is equal to V0x, which is 10 cosine. What is the angle? Cosine 40 also. It's 40 also? Yes. 10 cosine 40 plus 0. And I know that YB from the vertical direction is minus 0.5 times 9.81. T squared. Now what is T squared? It's unknown. I should find it. Plus V0y, which is 10 sine 40 P, right? Plus y0. What is y0? It's also 0. And now, guys, from the scale, that xb, or if you want to start by yb, minus yb over 3 is equal to xb over 4. Right? So guys, from this ratio, I can equate these two equations, all right? And this means that 10 cosine 40 will be equal to minus 0.5 times 9.81 times t squared plus 10 sine 40 t plus, sorry, I forgot the, all right, so, guys, yes, you're right. 10 40 is x, so I'm gonna say it's over 4, right? So 10 over 4 is what? 10 over 4 is 2.5. And then this one will be plus, right? So it will be, sorry. So this will be plus and this will be minus. And then I'm gonna put parentheses here. This will be over 3, all right? Okay, so now guys, I can find t. So now guys, I can find t. Okay? Do you have any question? Do you have any question, guys? So I can find t. T is equal, and of course, guys, you have to choose the positive non-zero root. Right? So guys, do you have any question? Is it clear how I did it? So guys, I know that there is a relation between x and y of b. Now, x of b is r, all right, that I need to find. And y of b is this one, okay? I know the ratio. I put minus sign because I'm sure that yb is negative. So I use these two equations, equate them, now I can find t. Whenever you know t, so t is known, you can find xb, which is equal to r. Text. Right? Right, guys? Do you have any questions so far? Hassan, 10, 40, T. Yes, you're right. You're right, Hassan. Yes, you're right. I forgot T here, guys. All right, I forgot T here. So this, in fact, guys, will give me two roots, 0 and the other root, right? So you're right. Yes, this is 2.5 for cosine 40t. Okay. Any other question? Any other question, guys?